This 2020 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 312 VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Willow Street. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.